Hello students, welcome to my YouTube channel Home Education. Today I am going to narrate the summary of The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse from Snapshot book, class 11 CBSE board. And before starting the summary of this lesson, first I want to tell you the characters of this story. There are three characters in this story. The first character is a boy whose name is Aram. He is 9 years old. The second character is also a boy whose name is Murad, who is 13 years old. The third character is a farmer. His name is John Bairo. So there are three characters in this story, and now I want to tell you these two boys belonged to Gairo-Galenian tribe. These two boys belonged to Gairo-Galenian tribe. So the people of these tribe were called Armenian. There was a quality of this tribe. The people of this tribe were faithful and loyal. They never tell a lie. They never deceive the people. They are very trusty people. So now I am going to narrate the summary directly. It was the summer morning and Aram was sleeping near his window. Murad came and he was knocking the window of Aram. Then Aram suddenly awoke and he peeped out of the window. He saw that Murad was sitting on the back of a beautiful white horse. Aram was surprised to see Murad. He was thinking from where Murad brought this beautiful white horse, because they belonged to the poor family. So to buy such a beautiful and white horse was a dream for them. Anyway, Murad asked Aram why he was staring him. He should come out of the house because he was going to learn horse riding. Anyway, both boys went out and they started learning horse riding. So each day they were learning horse riding and they were enjoying their days pleasantly and peacefully. And after learning the horse riding, they kept the horse in a barn. They kept the horse in a barn, which was a sacred place. Anyway, so it was their habit. They were learning the horse riding daily, and thus 2 weeks passed. How many weeks passed? 2 weeks passed. And during this time, Aram came to know that Murad has stolen this horse from the John Bairo. It means that the horse belonged to John Bairo, who was a farmer. Anyway, these boys were taking the training of horse riding, and one day when they were returning to their home, suddenly John Bairo came in front of them and he saw his horse. He saw his white horse. He was surprised to see his white horse. He said, "This is my horse. This is my white horse. White horse. Where from you brought this horse?" And both boys were startled because they knew very well that they had stolen the horse of John Bairo. Especially Murad had stolen the horse of John Bairo. Anyway, both boys were startled. They were surprised. They thought that their theft was caught and now they will be punished. But soon John Bairo says, "I am sorry because my white horse is missing. So everywhere my eyes are seeing white horse, and every horse seems to me. Every white horse seems to me. It seems that every horse is belonging to me." And he says, "I am very sorry for this mistake, because that man knew that These boys belong to Garoglanian tribe, and the tribe of these people are honest and they never tell a lie, they never steal, they never deceive the people. Anyway, the farmer John Byro was very sorry. Anyway, both boys returned to their houses, but internally they were sad and disappointed. Their conscience were hammering them. They were not feeling well. They decided that they had not done good to steal the horse of a farmer. Anyway, the next day, both boys kept the horse to the place from where Murad had stolen the horse, and now the farmer John Byro received his white horse. He was very happy and he was feeling well. The next day, he he narrated this story of horse missing to the Aram and Murad's family, and he told them that my horse was missing, but today I got my horse back, so I am very happy. And the story finished. This story gives a message that the truthful and loyal people are always truthful and liar, and sometimes if they commits any mistakes, but their mind and their conscience does not accept these bad things, and finally they regret and they feel shamefulness and they return whatever they have stolen. So this is the story. How do you like this story? Subscribe my channel and share this video to the class 11 CBSE board students. Okay, Jai Hind.